Weather and cloths. We all wear clothes. Clothes come in different styles and colors. Clothes protect us from extreme weather changes. Clothes also protect us from dirt and dust. Summer. In summer we need to wear clothes that keep us cool. Cotton keeps us cool. It's sunny and hot. Wear a t-shirts, sunglasses. Rainy. We use clothing such as raincoat, umbrella, gum boots. These are made from synthetic material. Winter. In winter we wear woolen clothes such as sweaters and woolen trousers. Wool keeps us warm. It's cold. Wear a warm coat, cap, jacket, scarf, gloves. Spring. Mix up the floral dress. When everything seems to be in bloom, it's natural to choose floral prints instead of the standard spring dress.